So guys, panoorin natin, no? Si ano to, si Catering tsaka si ano, pangalan nito, Aling Mirna.
Aling Mirna. I'm not knowing who is the person, but inside my heart, from my bottom of my heartbeat and
Galing
my
mag-English,
soul,
eh, no?
Aling Mirna is the good person. We have a
Good in the
good heart, and we have a good friend. So
daming
I know is putang inang ano yan ah. Namungo. Wait lang ah. Parang napansin ko na.
Yawa na!
I'm so touched again by your answer.
Parang nalata ko na. Parang mas lamang ang
Ang kulit ang putik.
Ayaw ko.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. Thank you.